watching
Oh,
the
crap.
following counties
Oh, that's
in
just good.
Texas: Bowie, Cass, Marion, and Morris. Remember,
Tornado watch.
Tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While
You were
severe
right.
weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid change in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
TOAs.
Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 60 has been issued
Oh,
until
60th
11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the
60th
following
WI of the year.
counties in Texas: Bowie, Cass, Marion, and Morris.
Here's the OMs.
The National Weather
Okay, no
Service
double
has
head.
issued Tornado Watch number 60, effective until 11
Nice.
p.m. Central. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, west central Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Timber County in
National Weather Service in
Arkansas,
Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, west central Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Timber County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, east central Bowie County in northeastern Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hooks, or 8 miles northeast of New Boston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Ping pong ball size.
Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh my.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashdown, Hooks, Wilton, Tollet, Ogden, Saratoga, Richmond, Leary, Bright Star, Millwood, Red Bank, Pine Prairie, and Red Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Arkansas and northeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Bowie, Texas, and the following counties in Arkansas: Hempstead, Howard, Little River, and Sevier.
Severe weather statement.
Southeastern Little River, west central
I've heard this one.
Hempstead,
Listen
southeastern Sevier,
to this. This is
southeastern Howard,
83.5
and east
for a
central
reason.
Bowie counties.
Listen to this.
At 5:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ashdown, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Listen.
Hazard,
Baseball-sized hail.
and 60 miles
Baseball-sized hail in that thing.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured.
I have never heard this on no
Expect
weather
shattered
radio before.
windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Ashdown, Tollet, Ogden, Saratoga, Bright Star, Millwood, Pine Prairie, and Red Bluff. A tornado watch remains in
There's a
effect
reason
until
I'm
11
recording
p.m.
this.
Central Daylight Time for southwest.
That's the storm out there.
Northeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Bowie, Texas, and the following counties in Arkansas: Hempstead, Howard, Little River, and Sevier. The National Weather Service has...
Anthony freaking all, baby! Oh crap, there goes my WR100. It's on a different channel.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Nevada County in southwestern Arkansas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Blevins, or 8 miles west of Prescott, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60
Oh
miles
my
per
God.
hour wind gusts.
Holy crap.
Source, radar indicated.
That's insane.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
No joke.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Let me...
Expect wind damage
Oh,
to
never
roofs,
mind.
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prescott, Emmett, Perrytown, and Boughton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Arkansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Hempstead, and Nevada.
Hey, there's the EOMs.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cass County in northeastern Texas.
Oh, that's for me.
Southeastern Bowie County
That is
in
me.
northeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That is
At
me.
6:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Rocky Branch, or 23 miles east of Mount Pleasant,
Oh.
moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
That's not gonna be me.
Hazard, ping pong ball.
A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Rocky Branch, or 23 miles east of Mount Pleasant, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
I'm sick of ping pong
Impact,
ball size.
people and
Hail
animals
falling out of the sky
outdoors will be
today.
injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding,
Because last time
windows,
it
and
produced
vehicles.
the baseballs.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Texarkana, Wake Village, Nash, Queen City, Redwater, Maud,
Queen
Red
City?
Lake, Douglasville, Marietta,
Said Queen
Domino,
City. That's gonna
Bryansville,
pass
and Red
just
Hill.
north of me.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern
Oh my
Arkansas
goodness,
and northeastern
that's just
Texas.
about for me.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Cass.
County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Bowie County in northeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central.
Oh, that's what. This is getting ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Shut up.
The National Weather
This
Service
is
in
ridiculous.
Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, Millett County in southwestern Arkansas, central Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Cass County in northeastern Texas, eastern Bowie County in northeastern Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Genoa to near Queen City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Texarkana, Atlanta, Louisville, Queen City,
Great,
South
now I'm under
Garland,
SVR.
Canfield, Genoa, Mount Pleasant, Bloomberg, Domino, Patmos, Pleasant Hill, Spirit Lake, Fordland, and Piney Grove. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Arkansas and northeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Bowie and Cass, and the following counties in Arkansas, Hempstead, Lafayette, and Miller.
gosh!
Report has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Marion County in northeastern
This is close to my area!
Northeastern Harrison County in northeastern Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight
Oh
Time.
no!
At 7:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Northeastern Harrison County, Texas. This goes until 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Woodlawn, or 9 miles north of Marshall, east at 30 miles an hour. This was found at 7.
Okay, I'm watching Force 13's emergency thing.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught
They're talking
without
about it right
shelter.
now.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Radar indicator right now.
Damage to
With the
roofs,
stuff that's going on, that could change at
vehicles
any
will
moment.
occur. Tree damage.
Oh my gosh, the lightning will not cut it out. This is getting too close for comfort.
7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
If this enters my county at all or strengthens at all, I'm going to take shelter. Guys, you are seeing me, probably seeing the, oh man, oh, power flash, oh goodness. I've never experienced this before.
Avoid windows.
Yeah, this was so accurate. You know what?
In a mobile home or in a vehicle,
wait.
move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Same set was wrong.
Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover
Rain
now.
wrapped bulletin.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Harrison and Marion.
Yikes. Why? Another one.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Caddo Parish in
Why?
northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Bossier Parish in
And yes,
northwestern Louisiana,
I did put my HH up
eastern
there.
Marion County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Harrison County in northeastern Texas,
Okay.
until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Karnak, or 20 miles northeast of Marshall, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
I am not
Hazard,
shut
tornado.
up. Good grief.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
I'm watching
and
Force
vehicles will
13
occur.
right now.
Tree damage is likely.
And I'm just about
This
having a
dangerous
panic
storm
attack.
will be near Oil City and
There's a
Marine
hook on
Sport
it.
around 8:15 p.m. Central
It's not
Daylight
hooking.
Time. Austin and Belcher around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gilliam around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Plain Dealing around 8:45 p.m.
insane
Central
fast.
Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dixie, Uncertain, Alden Bridge, Caddo Lake, Gray, and Cabot. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move
the
to the
craziest
closest
enhanced
substantial
force
shelter
stuff
and
I've
protect
seen
yourself from
ever.
flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Check
Take
into the
cover
new
now.
protective outlet that was just
Repeating,
issued.
a tornado warning has been
Example.
issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes.
Oh, it got cut off! Oh
A
man.
tornado warning remains in effect
Oh,
until
man.
8:15